Welcome to Palazzo Misciattelli. I'm Arrigo.
And I'm Ellen.
And we are the owner of this beautiful palazzo that is in my family for centuries.
So the palazzo has origins most visibly from medieval and Renaissance times, which you can see in the ceilings and the beams. Of course, we have ancient Etruscan layers underneath the palazzo. And we did a full renovation of the palazzo, which finished 3 years ago.
Yeah.
So today we welcome guests as if they're truly friends and family.
Our idea is to welcome the guests like part of our family and to show the real experience of the life in a medieval town in Italy.
They are taken care of by the staff in an incredible way. They feel very spoiled. They love it. And many times, I say 30%, he says 90% of the time, they actually, when they check out, they cry. They're very sad to leave.
We really like to show to the travelers the real life in this part of Italy, in Umbria. We like to organize private cooking class inside the palazzo, a picnic to the olive grove. Actually, we produce olive oil, or maybe to have like a tasting of a special wine in our grotta. Yeah, different things to show like the real part of the Italy.
I think the olive grove is one of the most special experiences. We call it Olive Grove Safari because we go off-road in an off-road vehicle into the middle of the olive grove and do either a picnic or a lunch or an aperitivo, and the travelers love the experience. We look forward to welcoming you to Palazzo Misciattelli.
A presto!